please have retained my streaming settings? Please. Please, please, please. Don't make me fix that too. Right, let's maybe get this a little bit more out of the...
3953932.
Dropped frames detected. Of course they are. All right.
Curious to say the least. And you know, the one card.
Yeah, tell me if you see me streaming.
I do see you streaming.
All right, that's progress. Okay, the question is, am I streaming on YouTube as well?
3932. Is this supposed to do both?
Yeah, I should be going to both.
Okay, I'm muting your stream.
All right, everything is now the slowest.
Oh, you have the tutorial up. Nice. You are not screen sharing with me. It would help if you screen share with me.
Oh, crap.
because otherwise I can only see your screen a few minutes late.
Okay. Shit. All right, zoom. No, not that zoom window. Why would I want that zoom window? You dumb piece of... Oh, no.
OBS is hard.
All right, screen 1. No, now I can't get your face, can I? Nope.
You should be able to.
I can do this, but it just goes behind things.
That's weird.
Oh, fuck. It doesn't do the, like, minimize bubble if I'm screen sharing.
That's weird. Because it does for me.
Yeah, it might be because I've got dual screen mode on in Zoom. Let's try unpin video from second screen. Nope.
Now where is it?
All right. Pin video.
That's weird because now I see myself in your Zoom.
I have to leave Zoom and start it again.
I'm sorry. Hello again. I'm sorry that Zoom is making it even harder. Okay. Why?
All right, share screen. Screen 1. All right. Here we go.
Oh, I can see your screen now.
Yeah, okay. So I had to switch Zoom to single monitor mode instead of dual monitor mode.
Entertainingly, on the stream, I see your face.
Well, it's probably
Through
lagging.
the camera, yeah, it is. But it's through the camera I'm looking at, except it's mirrored.
Wait, it's through the camera you're looking at?
Oh, okay. Oh, now I see me.
Yeah, it's just lag.
It's just lag. Okay. Now, is my screen going to get a little?
Huh?
Am I going to get small?
You are small. You're tiny. What are you talking about?
Good. It's just lag. Oh, hello. Hold on. I have a friend for you. Come here, bud. No, come here. Come here. Here you go.
Yay, Odin.
Say hello. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, great. Now, are you going to put your video up?
Am I streaming? Can you check if I'm streaming on YouTube?
Yeah. Meanwhile, did you want your video to show on your stream?
What? My video is showing.
No, it doesn't. I'm looking at your stream, dude, and your video doesn't show. There's a little bit of me, but there's not a you.
But, oh my god. Why is OBS so terrible? Like, so that means that it's literally, like, the preview it shows is different from what it's actually streaming. Good job, OBS.
Your screen is streaming fine.
Yeah, but, like, I wish I could show this to you.
Oh, wait, there you are. Wait, I made it big. It didn't show when it was little. But when I moved Twitch to full stream, now I see you at the bottom.
Yeah, okay.
At a little bitty. Okay.
But I'm bigger than you, right? Slightly? That's what I see in my preview. That's what I see.
It put this other window over that. I don't even know what that other window was doing.
Oh.
Okay. Yes, you're slightly bigger than me.
Okay, so we are seeing the same thing now. This is accurate.
Yes.
Yeah, it's also telling me that it's dropped like 77% of frames, so... Question. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so the avdi.codes YouTube account should also be streaming this.
You are also live now, according to YouTube.
Sweet. All right.
I'm not going to click on that one.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, that's the Restream.io. Okay. Splits the stream, which I like because I like being on Twitch, but I also like having recordings that don't disappear after a month. So, yeah, YouTube is nice for that. Anyway, all right, so I guess we can actually...
I think we can do it now.
Yeah, we can do the thing. I'm going to tell people, unless you want to, I'm going to tell people that I'm streaming. Actually, yeah, no, I want to tell people that I'm streaming.
On Twitter.
My internet access is unbelievably slow when I'm streaming.
You could do that on your phone. If you have cell service.
Oh, that's right. Oh, that's what I've done in the past, isn't it?
Okay, we did it. I'm going to get my notebook. A goodie. I'm excited to work on this thing.
Come on, you can do it. There we go. No, I'm not still copywriting with Federico. Fucking Twitch.
Yeah.
I changed the
it
thing,
says to me
too.
that you're exploring dark.
All right, fine.
It says you're exploring dark.
Good enough. Dum. All right, so yeah, here we are. We're exploring dark. I got my beta invite last week, and I have never touched it, and I haven't even read this tutorial yet. So this will be fun. But I did get my account, and I did. I have it in a Chrome, in vanilla Chrome without any plugin, any extensions, which is what they recommend. So that's there. And the documentation is here. All right. Oh, do you want to link to these docs
Can you
too?
make it bigger?
Make what bigger?
Can you just make it bigger?
Make what bigger?
The font.
Oh, the font.
On the documentation.
Yeah, I was also going to say, do you want a link to the docs? Here, I'll send you
I
a
can
link.
find those. Ah, that's better. Okay, it helps when it's bigger. Thanks.
Dark.
Okay. When you open Dark, you'll be able to access any canvas in your username by opening it in the browser with that link.
Okay. All right. Let's try that. So
in this case, use
all right, here we go.
okay. Dark was created to reduce accidental complexity. Okay.
Each handler will build his replica. Yep,
Each handler will build. So there's a canvas concept. I don't know what that means yet. Is that like an app?
No, canvas. It's probably easier to show than tell. I don't know a lot about this, but I've seen some of their videos. So I guess I have that much context.
I have seen one demo like years ago.
Yep. All right. So your first API endpoint. Create a new HTTP endpoint from the Omnibox or sidebar. Okay. So yeah, get started. All right.
Is that the same thing or is that two things?
I believe that is
Omnibox and sidebar.
I believe that is two things. I know where the sidebar is because I can see it. I don't yet know how to get the Omnibox. But if I click on the blank canvas, something pops up, which I believe is probably the Omnibox. I wonder, out of curiosity, no. Nope.
Is that the Omnibox?
Okay. Yeah, I believe this is the Omnibox. So, new HTTP handler.
Okay.
Yeah, anyway, I'm going to just do this version, though. And yeah, we want get. I'm entertained. You probably want this bigger, don't you?
Always. I'm like really close to my little monitor right now. Okay, thanks.
All right, so yeah, so canvas. This is a canvas. Like it's very.
I know that's a canvas, but conceptually, what is that thing? I mean, I get that it's the gray box.
I don't know what you need beyond gray box.
All right, okay. So we got
a
new gray box.
Create a new HTTP endpoint. Oh my god.
Did that.
Specify
And the
the verb is
route
get
is math.
and the route is math. All right. Math. All right. It wants a thing. I don't know what that is.
Incomplete.
You can now write any code in the blank. For instance, write 4. All right.
I like 4. What? Why did underscore equal 4?
All right. Well, so already
did you
this
write
looks
4?
Yeah, and then let's try that again. 4. Okay, there's 4. This results in an API that has the return value of 4. Click the hamburger in the upper right.
The hamburger.
And select Open in New Tab. Then you see your API running.
Oh,
you're mad already?
There's all right. Well, yeah. Okay, you're right. I do need the docs now. GitHub.com/darklang/docs.
Hey, look,
so I can
4.
put a pull request in. Okay. avdi-getting started builtwithdark.com. Cool. /math. Stark dash links.
So yeah, there's the 4 in the corner there.
Damn it. Are their docs not a public repo?
I don't know.
I want to submit a pull request, damn it.
What are you mad about?
Well, they just got an open double quote and a close parent.
What? Oh.
Yeah. See, select quote, open in new tab, close parent.
That is annoying.
I mean, it's not confusing. It's very clear, and it's the kind of thing that when I was in charge of docs, I love pull requests. So, yeah.
All right, go back to Dark to edit your code. Add +5 to the end of the code and leave your cursor in line. No, I don't want to be there. There we go. Okay, but leave your cursor in line. Plus, actually, I want to do that a little slower this time. Plus, now we've got a listing of possible operators, including their type signatures. All right. Cool. We're doing 5, aren't we? Yeah. All right. Cool. But leave my cursor on the line. It says. What are these little... Copy this expression's value to the clipboard. Well, okay. Fine. What are these dots? Whoa. Oh. Intriguing. Okay. We'll get there. The 9 at the bottom shows you the return value for the handler, what your API will now return if you open in the browser. The 5 on the left is showing the result of the expression where the cursor currently is, in this case 5. This isn't very useful when it's an integer, but if it's a variable, it will show you the result of the variable. Mouse over the white dots on the left. These dots are each time you have opened in the browser. If you reopen, each time you have opened in the browser. Yeah, okay. I want to do a pull request now.
If you reopen the tab from the hamburger. Yeah, their docs are not open source though.
Ugh. Not cool.
Right?
Not cool. Let people help you. Of course, the same could be said to me.
I personally know some reasons why they might not be open source.
Okay. Is this inside baseball?
Yeah. Well, not dark related. But,
oh, okay.
My personal experience of operating open source docs, they're like, oh, well, you can't have to-dos in there.
All right, now if I close this.
Nuts.
Okay, so so this doesn't correspond to open sessions, but it does correspond to, okay, if I hit reload.
It doesn't?
Ooh, yep, there's 4 of them, 4 dots now. If I hit reload again, I assume there's a maximum number of dots though.
What does it show on the dot? The headers, the requests.
Recent requests.
Recent requests, okay.
So that's cool.
Go do hey, go make a request with math question mark foo equals bar or something.
Okay.
That might do butts equals true or something, yeah. Okay, so the most recent one's at the top. It's
all right, so there's butts down at the bottom.
Ooh, query params. Butts are null.
Nice, okay.
Make them bigger. Great.
Look at all these dots now. All right, butts equals 9,000.
Great.
All right. Cool.
I approve. Okay. There. We saw it. And then we did something that changed what it did, and we saw the change as we thought we might, and it did something, and I'm satisfied.
All right. Okay, I'm a little bit annoyed that this picture doesn't correspond to a thing that they actually tell you to do. But let's go ahead and do it anyway. This isn't very useful when it's... okay, so we're going to say...
Really want to fix their typos. Damn it.
Also, add equals... No, we're not going to say let add equals 5. I'm sorry. Let's see here. Let... Oh, that's interesting. What is it called? Is it...
Butts. Let butts equal 5.
No, butts is
And then we'll
is
figure
input.
out... Well,
No,
right,
no,
right.
wait.
But I want to figure out how to use the input
What's
for
it
the
called?
butts.
What's the... Yeah, well, hang on. One thing at a time.
The add end and
Is it
the
add end?
add or...
Add...
Fuck if I know.
Adotron.
I don't remember.
Equals 5, and then we'll say 4 plus Adotron. It's just, I don't.
I approve of that name.
It's just not add, you know? Because add is an operation, not a noun.
Okay. Do we need a semicolon or something?
Maybe. Yeah, see, in the picture, it's happy with that, but this is not happy. So 4.
Pretty sure it's not because you didn't call it specifically add. That would be ridiculous.
It's sad.
Uh-oh. Wait, did you just try to reload?
No, I opened a new
Oh,
one.
no, you tried to call the endpoint. Wait, now you've got let underscore equals. It wanted to put that when you put the 4 in there too. Now it... Okay.
Stop doing that! Okay, so we have a picture of a thing that doesn't actually work when we type it in. So that's useful feedback.
Can we start over? Like, what happens if you hit refresh here on the canvas?
Let's find out.
Because it doesn't seem to be responding correctly.
Oh, you just think it's confused?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I need to learn to not press enter.
It's doing
clearly.
that again.
Enter is bad.
That's a problem.
Also, escape doesn't make this window go away. And then the thing...
Don't want B. What the fuck is B anyway?
Okay. So, in theory, this should
I don't
work.
want date colon add. We didn't even want add.
Yeah, it totally doesn't work. Okay, fine. You know what? The instructions did not tell us to do this, and the screenshot shows a thing that doesn't work for me, so I'm not going to do this right now.
That doesn't work. Okay.
All right, back to 4 plus 5. And moving on.
That was not successful.
That was not successful.
It is a beta.
It is.
Is it a beta?
It is a beta, but
Okay.
they do want videos. I asked, they do want public like streaming and videos at this point, and they want feedback. So like
Well,
they want to be able to watch the videos.
the first thing I want is to be, oh no!
Oh yeah, I should be. What?
Did I tell you I got some armadillo socks today? Because they've misspelled armadillo. You see it? It is called a confused armadillo, and then armadillo is misspelled, so maybe that's just like part of the confusion. I like armadillos, but with 2 L's. I really want to put in a PR. Although that's one I can't fix easily because it's a picture. But
All right.
I would still try. Okay.
Okay.
First
So
REPL.
that didn't work. Well.
Create a new REPL
Okay.
from the sidebar or the omnibox.
All right. Give me a REPL. This is very small talky. Hilarious Bear is my
Oh.
REPL.
Oh, look. Oh, wait, that's bad.
What now?
Well, that means that armadillo is hard-coded wrong in some list of like
What are
REPL
you looking
names.
at?
See where it says hilarious bear?
Yeah?
That's where confused armadillo came from. So it's not just the
Oh.
docs that have it misspelled.
Well, no, it's a screenshot.
Yeah, it's a screenshot. But now I know that that wasn't like someone named the REPL that when they were creating that screenshot. That was a generated name, and the generated name is wrong. So that's a very pathetic bug in the application.
Well, I mean, you have to admit, it is indeed a confused armadillo because it doesn't even know how to spell its own name.
Exactly.
All right, create a new REPL from the sidebar. Did that. Type HTTP client into the REPL. This will show you all the standard library functions for HTTP client, their signatures, and their doc strings. Continue typing until you have HTTP client post. Dark will autocomplete. Actually, do you want to you have these docs up now, right?
Oh, yeah. Do you want me to read them to you?
Yeah, do you want to tell me to do the things and I'll do the things?
Oh, sure. We made the REPL. Okay. Yeah.
So HTTP client.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Good idea. Pick, okay, admire the list of standard library functions, their signatures, and their doc strings.
I am admiring them.
Now you want HTTP client post. Type post. Keep typing
Okay.
post. There. Okay.
Sweet. I'm going to scooch this over. Scooch.
Hit
All
enter
right.
to add the expression. Okay, yeah. The expression creates blanks for the 4 parameters.
Mm-hmm.
And when those are complete, has a play button that will allow you to run the expression from within the editor. Let's call a new endpoint for the application we're developing. As we saw from the get, our endpoints live at https://username-getting-started.builtwithdark.com.
Mm-hmm.
So type that in a string.
All right, I'm going to copy this.
Yeah, including, oh yeah, in the picture they show /test, which is wrong. It's /math, whatever.
Okay, this added a bunch of extra
Now we need
slashes
to
and
add-
dashes for me, but okay. Are we doing math or are we doing a different one?
No, you were supposed to put it in a string. It shows it in quotes. Did you put it in quotes?
Nope, and also the home key doesn't work. And the end key doesn't
Okay.
work. Ah!
Damn.
Okay, that's going to annoy me. Ah! Stop it. Stop it. No.
Let's try that
All right.
again. Okay.
At least the tab key works.
Oh, good. Okay, for the body type open curly, and then push enter.
Cool.
And then add the key and value. So give it butts 9,000. It doesn't say that. I said that.
Mm-hmm.
9,000 should probably be a string.
Okay.
Okay. And then for the query, so I guess tab down to the query, do the open curly again,
Okay.
and leave it empty.
Okay.
Yes. And then so tab again. For the header, type JSON and autocomplete will give you the formatted header.
JSON.
Pick the first one. Content type, yeah.
All right.
Right.
Okay.
Once we filled in all the parameters, the play button next to the method turns green.
Oh, look at
I
that.
see it.
Hello, play button.
Which means we can execute this code from within the editor. Hitting play, we receive a 404 response. Oh, because it put a /test in there. But we also got a 404 response. Oh, well, we didn't define math for post.
Oh, okay.
So even though it didn't specify to put /test, that was just in the picture. So I didn't tell you to do that. It seemed reasonable to assume it was supposed to be /math.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I would like to issue a pull request to the docs. So hitting play received a 404. That's fine. So since we called it, the endpoint also appears in the 404 section of the sidebar.
Oh, all right. Oh, look at that. Okay. So I guess it's saying that there was
Congratulations, you've used your first REPL and written an HTTP client expression. Your second endpoint and first data store. Hit the plus button to create the HTTP endpoint. Yeah, that. The verb post and route, it's using /test, but we have /math will be set for you. Where is it? Is it?
Yeah. Well, there's this. I actually feel bad about this.
There it is.
I feel bad about this being math now because it's like.
We'll change it.
Yeah.
Okay, so go to Hilarious Bear.
Okay, so this is going to be. What do we call this? Armadillo?
Test. It called it test.
Fine, test.
No. And change it up there. Yeah. Ooh, that's hard. Okay. All right, it did it. Did we get the new 404?
We got an error. But it's just now it's a 500. I think it's because this doesn't do anything right now.
Why?
It's probably
No. Oh, okay, because it's there and doesn't do anything. Oh, well, return 5 then.
Let's try that again. Hey, look at that. 5.
Okay, we got a 5. All right. Hover over the white dot on the left-hand side. Here you'll see the full body of the incoming trace from when you posted.
Sorry, there's a bunch of crap over here
sidebar. Good job.
When I collapse it. Oh, it's the same stuff. It's just like collapsed.
Pictures.
Yeah, it's kind of VS Code-esque.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine. I don't know how to make those things go away. Because the REPL's kind of hiding everything with all its little sprouty bits.
They're gone. They're gone. They're gone.
Okay.
They're gone. They're back.
But does the escape key make them go away? Because I kind of can't deal with it.
Oh, hey, we have commentary from. In the
on
chat.
Twitch?
Yeah, on Twitch. Yeah, I guess I should also put the. I should.
Oh, good. She's horrified by Adotron. Yeah, that was painful.
I should let them know in Slack.
Right. Okay. If I'm clever, I should be able to have the docs up as well as the Twitch commentary. Let's see if I'm clever. Good, I am. All right.
All right. I'm so entertained, but I'm entertained by the small talkiness of the UI. It's been so long.
I am not. I needed to hold still. I need escape to make everything.
You don't like
all
this?
the little pop-ups go away.
You don't like this?
Well, shit gets behind shit.
What?
The post when we pushed plus to get the post, what do you call this little bubble thing to appear?
Oh, yeah.
It was behind all of the floofy bits. Yeah, those that like sprung out of the REPL. Does escape make them go away? Because I really need it to.
No.
Yeah,
But clicking clicking on the gray makes them go away.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do. So
Okay.
you probably don't like this, but I do wish that this. Actually, is it a little bit translucent? Is it not Go to back. Okay. I'm gonna click here. No. Okay. I guess it just always floats over. That's interesting. I don't think that's consistent.
Well, I think when it first appeared, it was behind it, or at least I couldn't find it.
Yeah.
because of all the floofy things
If it's
coming
going
out
to be
of the REPL
behind, I
box.
want it to be a
This
little
is
bit
fine.
translucent so that it still has like, I don't know, object constancy for me, but whatever.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
the
Yeah, see, now you can't see. Oh, now it's there. Anyway, whatever.
I mean, the argument for this kind of UI, which hasn't, I haven't seen this in a long time, but it's that you get to start thinking about these things as objects that have placement, which works, in theory, works really well with the human brain.
Right, in theory.
Oh, are you reading the comments too?
Yes. Yeah, I finally got the chat to show up. Twitch. I wish I could. Anyway, Twitch. It doesn't have an excuse of being beta either. I just can't get the chat to appear without making the window really wide.
What the hell, Twitch? How am I not logged into Twitch?
Different browser?
No, it's the like the
Oh.
Twitch.
No, you're not logged in. You're just streaming.
It's Twitch inside of OBS.
OBS.
Of Streamlabs OBS.
Oh, that Twitch. Yeah, it's different. Yeah, it's a thing.
Okay, that is a thing I need to.
Right.
That is a thing I need to fix.
I
or
want
it's
to
gonna drive me
hover over
bonkers.
this white dot. Okay.
Do you want screen control?
Yes.
Okay.
That'll be awful. Like screen control over Zoom and then the dark canvas trying to. Okay.
Oh
It's
crap!
okay, that's the Omnibox.
I forgot that you would actually be able to move my mouse. That is going to get annoying.
There it is.
And
That
just
has the button. Okay,
live
now
in life.
close
That's
my-
Crap! Stop it!
that'd
Stop
be
it!
great. Ooh, and that-
Hang on! I need the mouse. I need to make this shut up.
Sorry. Okay. Awesome. Yeah. See, I can't just type. It's not like a VS Code where I could type and you could fiddle. But...
big trophy, the big world championship trophy. I want that even more than the money. Oh man,
I highly recommend logging into Twitch on your phone, not your computer,
Yeah.
if you're gonna comment.
Except no, because I'm not going to type comments on my phone. No how, no way.
Oh, you hate typing on your phone.
It
I don't
hurts
have
me.
that problem.
It hurts me to type on my phone because of my elbow.
Oh.
Do I really have that protected with? Yeah. All right. Fine. We can do this. Security code. Submit. Come on, log in. Oh my god. Come on, you can do
Okay,
it.
so you are now trying to log into Twitch. Let's see.
Oh my god, why is Twitch so terrible? It is incapable of keeping a comment history. Like if you reload it,
Oh, I
all
think that's
comments are gone.
deliberate.
Well,
I think that's normal.
and I wish.
Like as the owner of the video, it'd be really nice if it didn't do that. Anyway, can we move on?
Please.
Because I want to do the next thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we created the /test endpoint. We can see the butts when we hover over the white dot. Let's work with the request directly and save the incoming body to a record by typing let data equals request.body.
All right, is that in here?
No, in the
No.
post.
Okay, for test?
Yeah, instead of 5.
All right. Oh, well, okay.
Let.
Backspace took 3 tries, whatever. Let what now? Request,
data
data, okay.
tab, probably.
Oops.
Request.body.
Body, all right.
Okay, is it just the endpoint is unfunctional if it has a blank line at the end?
Apparently.
Or maybe it's because it doesn't return anything. Maybe it's just that it doesn't return anything.
Okay.
Put the 5 in again.
Yeah.
Thank you. I don't want to like make my endpoint non-functional while I'm working on it. I want it to continue to return 5. So I vote we leave the 5 at the bottom. So it's not red and I can breathe. All right. Let's put this in a data store, it says. Like our HTTP client library, typing quote DB in the blank on a blank line. So like make a second line after data equals blah, blah, blah. Yeah,
Okay.
but try to make it not say let.
I can't. What is happening?
All right, fine. Delete the 5.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay. I have like a wild guess about that. And it's like, well, clearly, if this isn't the return value of the endpoint, it must be a let expression.
Yeah, I mean
Okay.
that's consistent
Anyway.
with a lot of with the pattern of a lot of functional languages.
It still let me fucking type what I fucking typed and don't stick that weird shit in there.
Well, and this is interesting because this is why structured editing, fails to get off the ground. I think decade after decade, because like structured editing has been like a concept for since time immemorial. Why does it keep failing to get off the ground? Because every possible implementation that we have of it makes us want to throw computers across the room. We want an editor that just lets us type the fucking thing, even though it's wrong, even though it won't compile. As soon as the thing just won't let us type the thing in, and it doesn't make sense to us, we want to throw the computer across the room.
Which makes sense because when you create something, you don't fully form the thing in your head and break down the AST in your head so that you can enter the AST perfectly.
Yeah.
You have a piece of it and you put that down and then you build other pieces around it.
And I'm saying this now, like I'm theorizing this now. This isn't like an opinion that I've held for a long time. I'm actually like I've always wanted to do more structured editing, but I am now theorizing that maybe this is why it fails to get off the ground over and over, is because of this cognitive dissonance of like, just let me type the thing and then let me get it right.
Yeah, because every time it does that, it's like pulling me out of and what were we typing again? Do you
Right.
remember?
What were we typing again? Exactly. I think we're supposed to be doing a data store thing. Quote
DB.
DB.
No, I don't think it means quote DB. I think it just put quotes around what we're supposed to type. It should use backticks.
Yes, it should.
I would put a pull request to the docs if I could. All right. Anyway, so yeah, DB. This will pull up all our data store functions. In this case, we want DB set.
Okay.
Which takes 3 parameters.
Cool.
Now let's make our data store.
Value.
What?
Key.
Now hold on.
Okay. Wait, what? We make the data
table. Okay.
Don't make me pause.
Context switch. It wants you to go to the sidebar and leave this red.
No.
Can I have my 5 back?
Yeah. Okay. Here's your. Let's give you your 5 back. Okay. Sidebar. Plus,
Create
I guess.
the data store. Yeah.
All right. We
Create
got
a new data store called requests.
Requests.
And give it 2 field names.
All right. I don't know where to put.
How do we name it?
DB type. Is this 2
That was a
fields
field
or...
name.
What?
Hold on. The name of it is DB1778.
Shit. Okay. No, I can't.
And we don't know how to change it.
Oh, no, now that's working. There. Quests.
Okay.
Does it have to be capital?
And apparently.
Okay, I guess it has to be capital. All right. And this is, okay, what do
Give
we
it two field names, data and time. Data is a string. We could probably call ours butts if we want. And time, which is a date. Date.
All right. Work.
All data stores in Dark are key value based and use keys as unique identifiers for the reference. Oh, sweet! Alan says I can make PRs to the docs as of 10 minutes ago. Yes.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, fabulous. Oh, so you probably want me to read. Okay. For instance, a possible set of records with keys in the above data store would look like blah, blah, blah. Now that we have a data store, let's finish our post endpoint. The first parameter is the record we're inserting. This will match our schema of data and time. So you can go back to the db:set thing.
Okay. db set. All right.
Yes. Okay, so you want JSON,
Okay.
which is data::data.
Sorry, what now? What do I type?
Curlies.
Okay.
Sorry. Type some curlies and then type data::data. Oh, wait, if you push enter, then it will probably get happier at you. Yeah, :data, more data. So you've got a property name, and then its value is that let, which hopefully effing works. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Hit enter.
Okay.
All right.
Do I
Yes,
need to set
good.
time?
And so this should say time,
Okay.
and then date: now.
Okay.
Yeah, that.
All right. Key.
Okay, and then tab down to that thing. In this case, by typing db, we get the built-in db::generate key function.
Okay.
Yes. And lastly, we'll use the autocomplete to add our data store requests.
Nice. All right. I don't know why I'm still getting some.
To run the
red
db set
here.
operation on our existing trace, we first need to run the two functions with side. Okay.
So do I need
What
to
is
run
that
these
saying?
two?
Why does it say cannot run? Parameters are incomplete.
I want to. I'm gonna press these play
Yeah.
buttons.
Do. After hitting these two play buttons, db set will be green.
I kind of get what's going on right here.
Yeah, they're side effecting. Hitting the play button for db set will insert the record into the data store
Okay,
and
we're
lock the
mad.
schema.
Okay, so an error occurred.
Cool.
Expected a value of type string, but got a dict in column data. All right. Do I need to? No, it wants a dict there.
I mean,
Oh,
hey,
shit.
I have an idea.
Control Z doesn't
set
work.
Data.
Wait, it does work.
Well,
It's just
no, it
slow.
wouldn't. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, so why is it mad at me?
And why doesn't it tell us that? So data's not a string, it's a body, which is data, which is JSON.
Data's
I think we need to say request.body.butts personally.
What? Oh, here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try it again on the set. Run the set again.
Ooh. Okay.
Haha, I was right.
You were right. Body was the wrong type of data. Oh, because data is defined as a string. I feel like, so it's either this or we take this out, but we have to convert data to a string somehow, which I'm guessing there's probably a JSON. Hang on. JSON dict to JSON. That sounds good.
Stringify.
And then
Yeah.
data. Betcha
Yeah.
that works.
That would probably work. Try that again.
Yep.
Wait, did that work? Because we didn't regenerate the key.
Look.
Did that overwrite what we had? How do we see what's in the database?
Oh, good question. Did that? Well, here's our database.
Because, yeah, did we just overwrite it? I guess we just overwrote it, but how do we see what's in the database?
Why does it say number of entries is 0? Oh, no, that was just out of date. Latest entry. Yeah, you're right, it overwrote because we only have one entry. That's cool. I'm okay with that.
Okay. Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah, okay. Well, okay, is it possible for, so, oh, and it's locked because because we have data in it, and there's probably some versioning thing, whatever. I wonder
That
if
part's cool.
is one of the available data types a dict, so that we don't have to convert it to a string. Well, I don't know how to unlock this, so I'm just going to create a new database just to play around with it.
What?
Foo is... Yes, okay, so no, wait. Yeah, dict. Okay, so dict is a allowable data type, in which case we would not have had to convert that to a string.
Oh, okay.
All right, but we're going to delete that database. Bye-bye.
Nice. Maybe. Okay, so over in our REPL, change the number of butts.
Okay.
Why did everything go away?
Sorry. My bad. All right, 9,001 butts.
Okay, run that. And no, you want to hit the... Oh, that did work. Okay.
Did work. Ooh,
do we have more items in our database now?
good question. Oh, there it is. 2.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Takes a moment, but...
Whew.
Is there a way to browse the database, I wonder, besides just like latest entry?
We could always put a db::get in the REPL.
Yeah. Now, can I have multiple lines in the REPL? I guess a REPL is just one expression at a time. Wait.
I guess you make another REPL.
Okay, here's another line. db.
Oh, look, yeah.
Get.
Okay. So that's why it's bad if you hit enter. If you hit enter, you have added another line. And that's going to be the new return value.
Yeah.
And if that's your return value, then the previous line must be a let expression.
Yep.
Because there's only...
Go away.
That was really...
This thing needs to go away now. Whatever.
Yeah, how do you undo that? How do you...
Okay, separate REPL. Which one of these is REPL? This is REPL. Okay. Shivering Bantang. db. Ooh, get all. I like that. Requests. Whoops. Oh, crap. I pressed enter.
Ah, damn it. How do you undo that? Okay.
No. God damn it. Go away. This thing. Shit. Aha. Okay.
How did you do it?
Oh, I got rid of the let on the first line.
So you had to figure out how to get to the first line and get to the let underscore equals. Okay.
But look at this. Here is the entire contents of the data store. It's a good thing it's not very big.
There it is. And one of those gray things. Can you move it around? What happens if you click its little pagey thing?
Which pagey thing? This thing?
No. What? Oh, that's a copy.
It is a copy.
Oh. I see.
Okay, I'm super mad right now This is dumb, but I'm super mad that clicking on the gray background and dragging doesn't like move the whole canvas around, because I'm totally used to that from certain environments.
What if you scroll with the wheelie?
That actually scrolls down, which I mean is not a wrong thing at all.
Okay,
else
what if
would
you
it do?
touch the touchscreen and move it with your fingerlings?
Oh, this isn't my touchscreen monitor. The other one's the touchscreen.
Right.
Jeepa!
Right click and drag.
Hi, Jeepa.
Jeepa, hello.
Yes, we are yelling at computers,
yeah, we're
which
having a
means
good time.
we are having
I'll
a
be
good time.
having an even better time when we switch over to making a pull request to the docs.
We are mad at computers right now, which is what we do. Yeah, I really want to be able to just like grab the background and scooch things around. And also, I really want the scroll wheel's default behavior to be zoom out, zoom in this context. Like I was on Google Maps. That would be awesome, because just like quick zoom out, scooch around, zoom back in on the thing that I want. That's the UI that I like for if we're gonna have like positional stuff, if we're gonna have like things laid out on a board, then I want to have like a quick zoom out, scooch, zoom in.
So back in small talk days, people developed like this, huh?
Sort of.
Oh, Politech, hello.
I mean, this is reminiscent of certain aspects of small talk, but like it's actually reminiscent of some other environments that I'm drawing a blank on. I want to say it's a little bit like some really old stuff, like what was it called, like ARKit or something? Old Xerox Park Kit.
Top priorities.
Small ticket. Nice. Yeah.
I don't get it.
Yeah. For the record, also, oh, you know what? Okay, you're not gonna be able, nobody's gonna be able to see this, but I'm gonna move this to my touchscreen just because I'm curious for a second.
To see if it responds to that.
Okay. Yeah, nothing works the way I want it to. Yep. All right. For the record, I will not use Dark seriously until it supports touchscreens, because this is so perfect for touchscreen. And I would seriously just throw my computer across the room if I had to use it, but I couldn't like scooch around by moving things around the screen. I realize a lot of you are stuck with like Stone Age computers that don't have touch screens, but here in
I'm not buying a Mac again until they have a touchscreen.
fuck no. Yeah, here in 2020, we all have touchscreens. And this is perfect. This is like so ideal for touch.
Sort of. I mean, it's not easy.
There are some hot takes. Yes, there's
There's
some
a
hot
lot
takes
of
on
things
this.
I can screw up with a touchscreen too. But Avdi, would you take away control, because I'm trying to click on my screen and it's moving shit on your screen.
Okay.
I don't know how to stop.
Stop. Okay, stop moving for a second.
Oh, hold on. I got it. Okay.
Oh, you got it?
Here. Okay.
Should I still take away control?
No, I did it.
Okay. All right.
All right. Right. Get docs from Darkling. I'm obsessed with the pull request, the docs. This is normal.
This is normal. This
Okay,
is
we
what
made
you
a data
do.
store. Oh, yeah, it is. Now that we have a data store, let's finish our post endpoint. We did that. We did the generate key. Congratulations. You now have your first Dark application, an API that stores requests into a data store. I feel like we should, hold on. Let's play with this.
Yep.
In our REPL, actually in a new REPL, or you can do it in the shivering bantang, if you want. make a get request to like /butts, because I really need to return the total number of butts. Solons would appreciate this.
You would. All right, so what are we doing? We're doing this whole thing.
Okay, you have to put the whole endpoint.
I know I need to edit it. All right, butts.
Does that work? Or does it have like white space in it?
Oh shit, what is going on here? What?
Okay, that's a problem.
That is a
white
what the hell
space should
just
not
happened?
be copied with that. See where you copied it from? See how the REPL is like formatting it with white space?
All right. Shit.
I need to fix that copy function somehow. Oh man,
I need to be able to
hard.
resize.
Okay.
I really need to be able to resize this.
You can't resize. Oh.
No.
Okay, so this should be a get, not a post. And so I don't know what I guess that's parameters, headers. Do we need to say that we accept JSON or anything?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Maybe we don't need any
The
headers.
whole point of a REPL is to try things over and
All
over
right.
again. 404.
Yes. Okay.
Did we get rid of
Good.
butts?
So now we can go to our 404 land.
Oh yeah.
We never had butts. This is new.
Sweet.
I just made it up as an endpoint. We have butts, but they've been in the data. Okay, did it make us one? See what I mean? When it makes it, it's like behind everything and you can't even see it. You have to go like looking for it and make things go away. All right.
Point.
But now it's there. And now we want to do a db::get of some sort, or get all maybe. I actually want to do a sum over that, but I don't, does it have run SQL? Probably not.
I don't think SQL is here. Here, db : what do we have? Oh, we've got a count.
But I want to sum the values of butts, but we could start with count.
Get many with get. Okay, that's I'm intrigued. We've got get all with keys and get many with keys. I love that
We could.
I love that these have versions.
I mean, get all is
next to
gonna
them.
do it.
These versions, I love that.
Might be versions of the functions.
Yeah, yeah, that's actually super cool. All right, get all, right? Or do we get all not with keys?
No, I don't care about the keys.
All right.
Request. So can we like map?
Let's find out. We've got a dict map. We got a list map. This is probably going to be a list map. It's going to be a list of dicts. Right?
Probably. Okay. Sure.
All. Ooh, a block. I don't know how to use a block yet. This is exciting.
I'm guessing. Well, maybe curlies. Functional.
There's got to be a language. There's got to be a language reference somewhere.
I'm flipping through functional aspects of Dart, figuring this is likely to do something. Maybe if I looked closely. There's list map range F block. What does, okay. So a block looks like slash, not curlies. Sorry. I mean, I know it's called a block, but it's not curlies. Other slash.
Okay. Oh, that's similar to Haskell and some other things.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there you go. Hit tab, I guess. We can call it val. This is fine. And so we're now val butts, maybe? Yeah.
I don't think it likes that.
No, it doesn't like that. Does it know it's in val? Oh God. Oh God, you hit enter. Ugh,
Oh no. What have I
you're
done?
still in the block.
How do I get...
Okay. Can you hover over val and like see what it is?
Here we go.
Oh. Okay, good idea. Butts.
Okay, so
Okay.
that's...
No, you hit enter.
Oh, hey, and worked that time. That's nice. Yeah, I hit enter. Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
If
maybe
you're gonna keep
stick a leg
flashing
in
like
front of
that, I will... Ooh, it's mad at
What is
something.
it doing?
What's that? Take
Because we
function
could return
off
that
rail.
list for all I care, but error
Do.
rail nothing. Error rail nothing.
I don't... Take function off rail. Something... What? Error rail.
What does this say? Okay, so I'll tell you what the error rail is. That implies that there's a monad that is like an either that is passing errors along,
okay.
and as soon as you get the first error, it goes to the error rail as opposed to going through the execution rail of not having errors, the happy path.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, it's been a while since I've...
And it's saying if anything in there.
I need to stop hitting enter.
Well, we need, can you put a let something equals the list colon map?
Yeah, except no, so I have to go all the way back to do that.
Seriously? Oh my God. Ooh.
No, stop it. No, no.
We think that all is a list. We were using dict.get.
Yep.
Because we thought that was probably a dict.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we were passing it the string butts. Okay. Can we return 5? Because 5 works.
So we got a little spinny right now, and I'm not sure what the spinny is about. I'm gonna hit this button.
Okay.
What is happening?
Politics says you can wrap an expression and a let without deleting, but we couldn't
Okay.
figure out how. Yeah, we couldn't.
Map.
Because normally it wraps it in a let for you if you push enter, but we couldn't get like the enterness to be outside of the block.
Ooh, okay.
Maybe
This
it's a
is good.
tab. I'm sure there's a secret key for it.
Oh, data.
Did it come back with the 5?
This is okay. So this is... Look at this. Look at this. When I'm
Oh
over
yeah,
this...
yeah. We called it data. Okay. Oh, it says that we have butts inside data. Wait, but we made wait. We made data a string, remember? Oh my God. We defined data as a string. So
Oh shit. No, yeah, you're right. So we have to like unparse it. Oh man, I want
Which
threading.
there's a
I
JSON
need
parse.
threading right now, like in the functional
there's
sense.
a way to pipe. There's a way to pipe.
Ooh.
I saw the
Okay.
word pipe,
You look at that.
but it
I'm
looked really hard.
gonna get more bourbon.
How to pipe, it said.
Be right back.
Okay, give me control then. He's not doing it. Damn it! Oh, request. Damn it. Fine. To start a pipeline, place the caret inside the expression you want to transform. Then press Shift Enter. Then you can keep typing with the triangle. You can also place the caret at the end of the line and press Enter. Never press Enter. That is something I've learned about Dart. It does something and it's probably wrong. We currently default to piping larger expressions for convenience. But if you want to transform at a more local level, you can do that too by selecting the expression you want to transform and then press Shift Enter. And then you can keep typing. You can also extend the pipe by pressing Enter at the end of the line with a pipe on it. But how you do anything other than that, I don't know. Okay.
Okay, back.
Okay. What we want to pipe is the dict::get, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because we're going to get the data. Okay. Highlight that
Ooh.
expression.
Sorry.
That might do it too, but I'm not sure what it's going to pipe. Is it?
Highlight
I think
that
it's going to pipe
expression.
the list::map. Highlight the dict::get because we need to pipe that, right?
Okay.
Push Shift Enter.
Shift Enter. Cool.
Okay. Okay, so now we're operating on that expression and we should be able to JSON.parse.
Yes. Okay. Shift Enter.
Maybe.
Look at that. Look. It actually
maybe
shows.
Enter.
Check out the little preview. Oh, you can't see where I'm pointing.
Yeah.
Over here.
Okay, yes. Okay, so
That's great.
now we need to send that to a dict.get.
Yep.
And hopefully it only wants one argument now. Yes, good. And so now we can ask it for the butts.
Yep.
Okay.
Shoot. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, what are these
So
fun
click on the 5 maybe. What?
Click on the...
Take function off rail.
Look.
Ah, we got the 9. Okay. We might, after we do dict get butts, we might pipe it to be a number.
Yeah.
I don't know if be a number is that
Okay,
that might be a
say.
maybe though. It is an int as it happens. Maybe there's an int parsed. No. I don't know how to make
Here we
it a
go.
number.
I got it.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Look at
right
that.
now, all of our butts are numbers.
Look at that.
Okay.
Ooh. Is there a map reduce?
It's probably just reduce.
Yeah. Okay. So now we need to get this. Okay. Here's the thing I don't know how to do, and it's embarrassing. Oh, yeah. I'll just do it here. Yep, that works. Okay. So now we need to reduce, right?
Yes. Okay, good.
Okay, it's not reduce. Is it fold?
It's gonna be list.
It's not reduce. So, but I found a fold.
Okay. All right. Sure.
You sound
That'll
dubious.
No.
You want to do a sum?
Reduce is just a more specific fold, right?
Hey, look, sum.
There. Let's do int sum. That's
Yeah.
even easier. Yeah. Okay.
Isn't that cool? Look at that. It's just right there.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's right there. We know what it's going to return. So you can return that reduction, or we could try to format it into
Beautiful.
something. All right. Run your REPL. Run your shivering bantang. Yeah, there it is.
Yep. We now have a sum of butts.
All right, now run the other one again. Run the bear.
Mm-hmm.
The hilarious bear. We have to see it change. I
Yes,
don't
we do.
believe it.
There it is.
27,002. Okay, we did it, Tim.
Gorgeous. Where are we in the tutorial?
We have finished the tutorial.
Oh.
That was the end of getting started.
Sweet.
There are other tutorials.
Oh, yeah?
There is building a backend for a React spa.
For a what?
Single page app.
Did you say oh, sorry. I thought you meant like somewhere to relax and
It says
have
React.
like
Well, that's
a
what it
massage.
says. I could use one right now.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, but my brain turned off when you said React.
Yeah.
So,
There's building Slack apps and building a Twilio app. Those are the other tutorials.
Slack is cool.
Yeah. And then there's some documentation on like trace-driven development. I am interested. Okay, trace-driven development. That's the part where you like
Does that have to do with the
look
dots?
at the white dots.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Which is a wonderful thing. I mean, like, I'm bitchy about a lot of this stuff, but this is great. Like, holding this around instead of just like, oh, it's gone. You didn't need that information anyway. Holding recent stuff around is so great.
Yeah, that's pretty beautiful.
And this, just this like, oh, that's the result. That's the result. That's the result. Wonderful.
Yeah, just don't hit enter. And like you said, that's structural editing, I guess.
Yeah.
And it's tuned for experts, and the problem is you can't tune it for experts if you want anybody to ever become an expert.
Oh, yeah. Tuning for experts prevents people becoming experts. That's a really good point.
Yeah, because like I'm like really stressed out by the attempt to like get that stuff in there.
Ellen says, for what it's worth, you used to have to hit enter to have anything save. And that was a lot worse.
And that was a lot worse. Oh, man.
Enter or you'll lose your text.
Oh, man. Yeah. And yeah, we couldn't figure out how to get like out. And like, I need to know what to do when I hit enter accidentally. I need a quick like, no, not that, whatever it was, not that. And I'm starting to get it that like there's certain key presses. You have to get it to give you the blank where you want before you can type in it.
Yeah.
You know, I almost want it to be more like Scratch because it's basically like Scratch, right?
Right.
You have to, in Scratch, you drag the boxes that you need into the place. And here you have to figure out the correct key press to get it to give you the boxes that you need. I mean, this is a lot less specific in what its boxes than Scratch.
Mm-hmm.
You're not dragging the function itself, but you have to get the blank where you want it, and I don't know how to do that. So it's almost like it's not quite as bad as learning par edit, but it's kind of like that.
I'm curious if there's a shortcut for the dict get.
Which implies that par edit is structural editing light, which is true.
Oh, I've got a curious.
Okay, that's what I want. I want it to work more like par edit, where I can type.
Yeah.
But I can also use keys to structurally manipulate it.
God, par edit is so wonderful.
I miss par edit. I need it for TypeScript, and there's no reason we shouldn't have it for TypeScript.
Yep, you're absolutely right. There's no reason we shouldn't have it. It's just as regular a language.
Oh,
even,
okay. Yeah, Marco says it's helpful to think about it as an expression builder and not an editor. Exactly. Like Scratch.
Yeah.
When you get stuck and can't get out, it feels
Curious.
terrible. Exactly. I need a quick no, like escape or something. I need escape to be like, not that, not the thing. Yeah. Because yeah, what I
Are we
mean,
still happy?
once we figure
We are
it
still
out,
happy.
I
Okay,
like
that makes me
it.
happy.
Yeah, that's better.
That is better. I still want a shortcut for dict get because that's such a common thing, and I'm curious if there's some kind of shortcut, either for typing it or for.
Hey, I want to see what happens if we put in some non-integer butts.
Okay.
Tell it that the butts are like carrots and send that post in the hilarious bear.
All right.
Yes. So we send that.
All right. Butts are carrots.
And then
Did that. Okay. And then.
why did we hit refresh?
Ooh, hey, look at that. Expected a string with only numbers. Got
Error rail.
carrots.
Carrots. All right. What went back to the is there anything we can do with that?
Yeah, so I'm curious, what could we do to like reject
Oh, let me see. There might be something.
carrots?
Ellen says, if any of you have an idea which things to tell you first would have helped more, I'm really open to it. Awesome. I was struggling between the structured elements, the trace pieces, live values, the expression-based editor, and the language pieces.
Oh yeah, everyone thinks in a different
Yes.
order. That is true. Everyone does think in a different order.
Yeah.
God,
I mean,
it
what
would
I
be-
kind of want is
it would be
is-
so much easier to teach this to somebody who's never programmed.
yeah,
Because like we're assholes.
in some ways.
I mean,
Well, we have expectations.
right. That's what I mean by we're assholes. Because we have expectations, which means that we're fixed on local maxima, which is like, typical developer thing to be.
Ooh, wait. Ellen says you can take it off the error rail using Alt X.
And then use a match signal.
And then use
I am so curious about this now.
push Alt X somewhere.
What is going on? Whoa. What?
What did that just do?
What about
Amitai says he's here for the butt. Wrap in match arm. Hit enter on that.
There was a takeoff error rail here. I'm not sure what it did though.
Try.
Hang on. Let's run this again.
Yeah, we know.
Okay.
Oh wait. Wait.
What?
Wait.
What?
Oh. Take off error rail. Look at the error now. Now it's getting an error in int sum, which is different because it got the carrots.
Whoa. Okay, I'm super curious.
It actually got the error that got the carrots. The code didn't change. It just took it off the error rail. Maybe only in this execution. Would you
redo?
Would you run the get again in the shivering band tang?
Yep.
Okay, that's behaving the same.
Okay.
All right, so I guess when we took it off the error rail.
The marquee outside led me to believe it was going to be a somewhat... Okay. G-Paul, what did you expect the show to be?
G-Paul thought he might see butts. Well, there was a cat butt really early on. Okay, so when we took it off the error rail, that was just like in the play execution, I think.
Okay.
Um,
If I redo this.
yeah.
No, we're still getting it's still moved down here. Super curious here. Like, did that do something behind the scenes?
Then use a match
Put function
statement
on
to do
rail.
something different.
Okay, so I can put function on rail and take function off rail. Intriguing.
Did putting it on the rail do anything?
So if I redo now, yeah, now we're ending here. Interesting. Wow, that's different. That's like... So that's like putting... It's like putting the monads right down into the language rather than being built on the
Hey,
language, you know?
what? Yeah. Yeah, which, I mean, I love that.
That is fascinating.
Yeah, this is really hard to tutorial because you want to get people to the fascinating aspects of the language, but first you have to get them through the structural editor, the expression builder. Helen said that she has taught this to non-programmers and we aren't assholes.
I think she's being too kind, but thank you.
I just saw that.
Okay, so, I mean, what I really want to do here is I want to figure out how to reject non-integers. What other things
Well,
can we
it
do?
seems to be working actually.
No? What?
As far as the get is going,
No, it isn't.
well, the shivering bantang returns fine.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't now. But it did for a bit there.
No, we're not happy.
No, wait, why did it just say not found?
And well, that's a little extra confusing for me, but I mean, fundamentally, no. This has not been happy for a while. No,
But it was briefly when we...
I need to find... Okay, I need to find a way... How do I get, like...
I mean, do the rapid match statement option.
Sorry, what now?
No, within the alt X. Match, something match.
Wrap in match.
If you type match.
Ooh. Match. Let's try...
No. Maybe rapid match arm?
Match.
Take off error rail. Does anything change in the code when you take it off the error rail?
Hang on.
Error handling in
this.
dark.
Ah! No, why can't I type now? Let me type, damn it. Fine, let's just get rid of this whole line. Match. Dict. Get. Butts. What? Oh, sorry. Wait, you don't need... What? What? What?
Hold on. Don't you want to get the butts and then pass them to a match? Pipe them to a match?
Shit.
We don't know.
Shit.
Ah.
Control-Z is very slow.
Okay.
Give me a second here. Alright. Dict. Get. Butts.
Okay. The error rail allows you to keep writing code along the happy path without stopping to handle errors. This is based on railway-oriented programming.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's a thing.
The idea is that when you call a function which might not succeed, you can keep going. For example, if you try to look up a value in a dictionary or database, we don't make you immediately handle the error case. Instead, we put the value on the error rail. There are two types that go to the error rail: result and option, more below. That's weird. I've only seen error. You can tell if an expression returns a result or option from looking at the docstring. Result and option types both have a good value, indicating that the function succeeded, and a bad value that indicates that the function failed. In the case of a good value, you can just ignore the result and option type. We unwrap them automatically. In the case of a bad value, the execution will end, similar to throwing an exception that isn't caught.
Aha!
Here's a success case. Dark automatically unwraps the option returned by dect::get, so the result is just cat. In an error case, you will see nothing appear on the rail. Oh, so when you see error rail nothing, that doesn't mean there's nothing on the error rail. That means there's a nothing on the error rail. The thing, nothing. Nothing.
I think I figured. Okay, I think I figured out how to get a match. Sorry, I think I figured out how to get a match in here. I needed another lambda.
Okay.
But I don't know what I can actually feed to match.
5.
We don't have any 5s, but we do have caret.
Okay.
A caret will count as...
A caret counts as 6 butts.
Oh, 6 butts. Okay. All right. Caret counts as 6 butts. See, I don't even know how to say, like... Does
Something that is an integer.
I did an underscore, and I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing.
We want to pass everything else to string to int.
Oh, right.
Wait. Instead of underscore, can you just give it a name like Val? Well, no, not Val. Anything but Val. Can you give it a name? Like Foo, whatever. Steve. I love the name Steve. I have an uncle. My favorite uncle is Steve. Yes. Steve.
Why are we cranky about that?
Well. Oh, 27,008. That's good.
So we got, yeah, that's something. Fucking reload. Stop it. Stop it.
Doing?
Why is it mad at me for that?
Is it mad?
I think it's
Or is it just telling us it might fail? Go run the Bantang.
Okay. $220. Oh, hey. Okay. I think we're good.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Okay, it was just slow.
27,008. Okay, if we add more carets. Wait, is this it? Where were we adding? Oh, there we go. Okay.
That was in Hilarious Bear.
If we add more carets. Oh yeah, 27,014.
There they are. Okay. Now, what we don't know how to do.
I don't know why this is a bang.
Okay. What we should, I think it just knows that might fail. That's my guess.
Oh, okay. I want to know more about match statements. I really want to know more about match.
Okay, because what we really need to be matching is string to int val of val. Okay. Wait, let's try this.
No. Oh, unless, well, okay. But only if we take it off the error rail, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so what if we put the string 2int before the match, take it off the error rail, and then match the results? When you wait, look here. Okay, the next section in the docs said, when you are ready to handle error cases, you remove them from the rail by using the editor command. Take function off rail. Open the command palette by hitting Option X or Alt X. You can see this sample here. The following types will have their values unwrapped in the happy case, wrapped inside the error rail in the error case. Result type happy case, OK val, error case, error message. Using the error rail will automatically handle errors. Let me click on the sample.
Sure.
Oh, what the fuck? It wants me to log in. I don't have a username.
Oh, I need to share my, I guess I'll just share my username with you.
I need to see how you match. Match, dict, get, dict, blah, blah. Just animal, nothing. It's
I feel like there was something in Slack about sharing with people.
An error. Oh, yeah, okay. Hold on. Wait. I think I know what to type.
DM me if you want to collaborate with a friend or colleague on a shared dark canvas. Okay,
good. Yeah. You should add me to your thingy. Meanwhile, I think when we take it off the error rail, I wonder if we have to have it in the match for that, or if we can put it before the match. But it also implies that we should be able to say string int. But yeah, we do need the lambda for that. With the lambda, we should be able to put the string int inside the match.
sorry, I'm DMing about getting you in.
Okay, let's see. GPA is saying, can I hire you to give error details in text and audio for my new programming language? Yes. I'm digging the calm, soothing voice saying, it doesn't work because you're an idiot. You didn't put anything in the container. Maybe you should take a break. GPA says, my concept is first you read the formal text, then you explain your grasping of it. Go get a coffee. You need it. Yeah. Can we type in the dark thing again yet? All right.
Yeah, I don't know why it moved to another screen.
Instead of match val, say match string 2int val. See if we can manage to type this in. Because I can't make it all right at once. I'm hoping we don't have to delete everything. Val. Okay, good. And then instead of carrots, you need to say, okay, num. Like, okay. Yes. Num.
What is num?
And return num. Whatever the fuck was wrapped in whatever string 2int returned that was okay.
And then this is...
All right. And then we need to say error Steve. Or error carrots in our case. Yeah. Okay. And then 6.
Nice. Do I need to take this off the error rail?
Okay, that should actually work. Yes. Yes, you have to take it off the error rail. Which you should be able to click on that red thing. Maybe.
There is no action
Where'd it go?
from clicking on the red thing.
Oh, bummer.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything.
Okay, so somehow you have to get the Alt X to let you take it off the error rail.
There we go.
There it is. Okay.
I'm troubled by the fact that that's just like mysterious.
That needs to show up in the effing code.
Yes. Yeah.
I need to say match off rail of string 2int. or string 2 int star, or string 2 int bang, or something. Yeah. It's not okay that that doesn't show up in the code. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit mysterious. But I do think I understand what's going on here. Given the sort of mysterious behind the scenes, take it off the error rail, I do get what's going on here. So we're saying when it's okay, an okay of num, then we just return num, and an error of carrots, we return 6. Perfect. I get it. I love it.
We actually ignore the error.
What?
We actually ignore the message of the error.
Yeah, yeah.
We store it in carrots and then do nothing with
Yeah.
carrots. Yeah.
Right.
But we can see what we get for it. Got carrots, so that's nice. Now does it work?
Okay, so let's go ahead and add some more carrots.
Oh.
Hmm?
Did it work? So did it work?
Hang on. Yep.
Okay.
I added some more carrots.
Yep.
20.
Okay. Now add some numeric butts.
Okay. All right.
Nice. Okay. So we call that with 42 buds.
There it is. 62.
And then yep.
Oh,
Okay.
hey. Okay, so I'm
working.
DMing with Victoria. Jessitron is username. Yes, absolutely. What name is our organization?
Shiprise?
That's boring.
That's your organization's name. My organization's name is Jessitron LLC. But you can do whatever you have
I'll just do Shiprise, whatever, fine.
.org or a .com of.
I have so many.
I only have a few. I have some athsys.dev. That's about it.
I have so many.
And Jessitron.com. Also, Satellite of Love. That's a great org name.
Yeah.
But that's just a GitHub and Slack team for me.
Okay, we are getting you added.
All right. Cool. All right. So we got this. I really want to. I'm not going to be able to go to sleep tonight until I make a pull request to the docs.
Okay.
Because I promised.
Mm-hmm. This is what you do.
It is what I do. So I could screen share for that.
Oh, okay.
I guess.
Which
good. Will screw up your.
So I can stop my screen share.
Pixie, don't eat anything. Okay, I will screen share in a sec after I exit with everything else. Okay, share. Bitty screen. See if you can get this to show up on Twitch. Speaking of which, I need to refresh Twitch because it stopped working for me. I need this. Which now I've lost all the beautiful messages that I was enjoying. Okay, get big. I have cloned the docs because Alan just switched them to open source so that I could fork them.
Nice.
So this is a clone of my fork of the docs. All right, so stop.
Food.
All right, get started in 5 minutes. Install dependencies. No. Okay, what do I need? I need something with yarn. So what is this yipping about? Oh, great. VS Live, whatever. All right, I need a Docker container with yarn in it. Come over here. No. Not Docker pants with yarn in them. Come here. Just give me Docker hub. Just hub.docker dot something. Yeah, that. Okay. Blah 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 blah. You have your own baby. That's not what we're doing. We're going to search yarn package node yarn. That looks, oh, deprecated. Docker image for building yarn. No. Seriously? Well, what should I use instead? Oh, Node.js Docker images now come with yarn pre-installed. Fabulous. That's what I need.
Perfect.
Yes. That's what I needed to know. So I just want, I guess this is node : latest, probably. Yarnity yarn. What else does it want me to run? I don't know yet. Okay, so I need the P. I guess this is the Omnibox. Remote. What is it doing? Remote containers, add development container configuration. It's going to be node 10, node 12, sure. Node 12 is fine. All right, reopening container. Make sure the Docker, oh yeah, Docker crashed at some point, I guess, wherever. Come on, Docker, do your thing. Where's my pointer? Anybody see my
I didn't take
mouse?
it. I didn't take it.
It's just
It wasn't me.
Windows fast ring. This is just Windows fast ring. What is this? And why can I not? Okay. Docker desktop is starting, it says. All right. So once Docker starts, then I'll reopen this in a container and then I'll be able to run the command from the README.
Okay.
Because for all I know, I have yarn on my machine, but I'm, yeah,
No
I do.
pets.
Because it comes with Node, of course. Exactly. No pets. We have a no pets rule here.
No pets policy.
Actually, that doesn't mean I have yarn on my machine.
Cattle
because, which doesn't work. Because one of the things that pisses me off the most about PowerShell is that when you type something that doesn't know how to do it, it takes forever to tell you it doesn't know how to do it. You can't even usually Control C out of it. Like if I type some garbage, it's going to sit there for a while. Well, it was fast today, whatever. It's run its caching thing. But often it just sits there for a while before it tells me that I got it wrong. It's really frustrating.
Because it's having a long chat with Microsoft over whether it can, like...
Docker, art thou happy? It seems it thinks it's running now. Okay, and then there's the other part that, wait, can I get reopening container? Oh, actually, no.
What's up?
Open workspace in container is going to prompt me for a workspace. This is stupid. The only way, as far as I can tell, to get it to open this workspace in a container without having to find a VS Code workspace.
Mm-hmm.
What? Oh, God. Is VS Code broken?
No! Something's happening.
No, it just failed once. Whatever. Windows, you have your days. Okay. So you open it again. Oh, it's updated itself. That's nice. Can I have my opening container button? No. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay.
January 2020.
It has open folder in container now. I think that's new, and it might, that might like let me open this one, but I still have to pick it. Anyway. There is like an issue open in VS Code for being able to open in container from the command line, but it's not there yet. Depop points out that Docker pants at least have butts. Yeah, to write docs, I have to get Docker running. That actually kind of makes sense, right? Docs, Docker. And you can't write docs without Docker. That's
Jess, have you actually
reasonable.
written a blog post about the no pets allowed policy?
I have some rants about that. Where did I put them? I don't know if I don't know. I think so. I don't remember. I put them in your videos.
Yeah.
That I made for you.
We need you need some blog posts about that because that's a really important concept.
Just to be able to reference it.
Yeah.
My laptop is my pet, but it's my pet in very specific ways, and you don't get to install things on it.
Right.
Just because I want to work on your project. All right. We have the dev container. I need a terminal. Move our faces. Okay, plus. All right. My face is over here. Now, let's see if I can get it to read me again. I'm pretty sure it said to just type yarn. CD website, type yarn. Okay, run your dev server, yarn start. Right. We want to create a new branch off master with the format blah blah, and then we make our commits. Then we create a new pull request with master as the base. Directory structure, the project file in master is blah blah, blah 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 blah. We edit it in the docs, and then we do stuff, and we can do stuff. Okay. Adding items, I know how to do. Okay, that's a thing. DocuSource uses React components to build pages. If yarn start works, that might be enough to consider the Docker container tested, and I can PR that separately because that seems polite. Watches for commits in the master, runs a script to generate the contents of GH pages. Using, you shouldn't need to do this. Okay. So I think probably after yarn links 942 dependencies in this Docker container. Oh, no, wait, 16,869. I think if npm start or yarn start rather works on this, then I can probably pull request the .dev container configuration, which seems like a good idea. And after that, I can probably do some edits, but I can separate those. Let's see if I can find the file that I want. Assets, fresh desk, blah, 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 trace, blah, 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 blah. One of these things is the tutorial, getting started tutorial. It's this. Okay, this was the thing that we absolutely must change. Yarn is still working. The first thing that we absolutely must change is that colon parent.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's infuriating, isn't it? There it is.
Yeah. Yeah, it reminds me of somebody who once told me that they were going to get a tattoo of an open curly brace.
Curly brace. It'll happen only after the tattoo of the closed curly brace. Anyway. Right. So that was the main driver for this, but there were a bunch of others. There was a Ute. Here it is. That's an easy one. What else did we see? These are the kind of things you only see when you're going through something for the first time.
Yeah, for sure.
Click the hamburger. That was fine. Don't do Autotron. Ellen said she'd never seen that Autotron behavior before. That's nice. That was true. There's more that I would like, but I should keep it simple first and just do the really obvious typos and not anything anybody can possibly argue with.
Mm-hmm.
I know we saw at least one more just grammatical flub.
Oh, there was a thing that was in quotes but really needed to be in back quotes.
Yeah, that was where it was quote DB quote. Oh, I think that was on the other page. Oh no, here it is. Typing quote DB quote.
Ellen says the only person who will review your docs is me, and I'm not attached to them. So if you want to try something radical, it's okay.
Sweet. Okay, yes, Ellen, I was totally that for Atomist, and totally can feel that. Oh, Ellen says it does happen a lot with like A and B, the thing where it can't find the variable. But Adatron was kind of a long name. Yeah, so there was a place where, like our HTTP client library, when we typed HTTP client, can you hear my daughter squealing? I think the DB was actually a problem with me reading it to you.
Maybe.
Okay. Yeah. How did that, no, we're still only on 12,000 dependencies. This is normal and none of this is runtime. So, whatever. Oh, the other thing I wanted was here where it says, it was in the HTTP client bit, where we wanted to type /math. As our endpoints live at builtwithdark.com. Let's call a new endpoint. That's our endpoints. I'm kind of bummed that it doesn't autocomplete the endpoint, but that can come later. So enter a string like this /test, a new. Now, Elena hasn't been using backticks for things like literals that we type. It's probably okay. So we entered /math, which confused us. Okay, so Ellen, the thing that I really want to see in the docs, you asked about ordering, is like way at the top. We're not going to explain the structural editor or the expression builder immediately, but I just want to know if it does something you didn't expect, hit escape or hit Control-Z, or what is the secret button for no, that's not what I meant. Because I just need to be able to do that, and then I can work around to the expression builder. Okay, It did it. Current version of yarn is out of date. I don't care. Yarn start. I mean, we could use node latest as the okay, Docusaurus start. Which did what?
Ellen says it's
Read me?
Control Z. And she says,
Okay.
but yeah, I can add that,
Cool.
or you can.
Yeah. Also, Control Z is slow.
Well, to be fair, I'm sorry, not everyone has watched Letterkenny. Anyway, to be fair, my internet connection is terrible when I'm streaming.
Hi.
So some of the Control Z slowness might be because my internet is terrible when I'm streaming.
Docusaurus start does what? I don't know what Docusaurus is doing. Oh. Oh, okay. It did nothing for a long time. And then it told me that it started on port 3000. Okay, which is useful because I can go to the dev container.json and I can find ports.
Ooh.
List of ports inside the container available locally. 3, 1, 2, 3. Comma. Remove that comma. Is that happy? No? No? Now I need you to offer to reopen it in the
35729 as well.
container. Okay, yeah, good idea.
I don't know if that's a stable port or not.
Oh, yeah, good question. That's probably easiest to find out from the Docusaurus docs. However, I don't know how to get it to restart the container, so I'll just X again, and we'll code dot again. And it's done updating.
Noise.
Reopening container. Yeah, someday they'll whatever. There's an issue open on VS Code to get it to get a command line for the container. I didn't read the release notes. All right. So, it's man. Why did you rebuild the container? Okay. Forwarding local port, whatever that was. Damn it, did it rebuild the container? Because if it rebuilt the container, I have to yarn again. And that took like 30 years, but it reuses containers.
Yeah, you should probably add the yarn as a Docker file line, run line.
Well, the problem with that, okay, it's happy. The problem with that is if your code changes, like if your package.json changes, then you need to rerun the yarn again. Your Docker file becomes out of date. Your Docker file shouldn't get out of date just because you changed package.json.
Oh. Yeah.
That's a dependency.
Okay, I need a new... You need to make a new episode about that. And by you need to, I mean I want you to. Because that one has been bugging me. Like I've been needing a better theory around when things go into the Docker file and when they don't.
Okay. Yeah, we'll get there. Docusaurus start not found.
No. Docusaurus space start? What the?
If this were NPM, I would know how to debug this.
No.
I love this weird thing in VS Code that if you type code blah blah, it opens in the same.
Love it. Can you just do like Docusaurus
editor.
-start from the command line? Can you try it and see what happens?
I wouldn't be able to in NPM because it would be in the bin.
Right.
Let's see. Was yarn put in the same place? Probably, yes.
Hey, look, there's DocuSource start
right there. Start, DocuSource start. Still not found. LL node modules.bin DocuSource start. Oh man.
What? Damn it.
DocuSource start. Lib start server JS.
What happens when you try and run that? Does it just have like a bad shebang line or something?
Yeah, let's open it, right? Start server. It's empty.
What?
Why is it empty? No, it isn't. It
Baffling.
has something in it.
Extra baffling.
What? Ow. I mean, ow. What?
Weirder than normal. I mean, okay, so what is your goal right now? To just like see them served and make sure that they look right?
What, cat? What are you doing?
No,
My goal right now is to start it and see it with the port.
okay. Wait. Do like node followed by that command, right?
Right, but look, why can't I cat the file?
Where's the cat? Oh, there's the cat. Okay. No such file or directory. What? Didn't you audit?
I can ls it, but I can't cat it.
Well, that's a little weird, right?
VS Code opens it as an empty file.
Dude.
I can cat that. Let's see if I can CD to it. DocuSource. Node, no. That was lib, right? And start server. Yeah. What's in here? Stuff. No. All right. These files are clearly hosed. I mean, I know what to do here. Okay, I can think of several things to do. The least invasive is to wipe out node modules and re-download it. But probably if I'm going to do that, I might as well rebuild the Docker container too.
Yeah. What the hell?
Which seems like a great idea right now.
It does.
Painful though. Painful in the sense of slow. But the good part is nothing is fucked on my computer. Right. So something between Docker and VS Code and Yarn and Debian or whatever Linux thing this is not, and Windows and Docker in Windows and Linux mode. Something in there is not happy.
Something.
Really not happy because it thinks that file is there and has 1466 bytes, and it also thinks it doesn't exist. That is an unhappy file system. Definitely rebuilding the container.
Fascinating.
Not promising. Not promising. Okay, did you do the thing? is it really done? I don't know how to get it in this thing where it has the, I don't know how to know whether it's done, but we'll figure it's probably done. Website, yarn. Now we wait 30 years for it to download the world. Oh, that's bad. Shit. Must have saved it. But not well, I'm betting. Saurus lib. Oh, all right. All right.
Is this like go
We
to
have
bed?
to kill. Yeah, I can probably do the pull request without it. Docker stop everybody. Docker ps minus a. This is all VS Code stuff. Docker rm money open Docker ps minus aq. I think that's the secret command. Yes, it is. I have remembered it.
Good job.
All right. So I have deleted all hanging around images.
Nice.
And now maybe VS Code will actually build an image including the file system. Although unless it's putting stuff on Docker volumes and saving it.
Docker volumes. Yeah, I don't know about those.
I haven't studied those yet, but I know it's a thing. And something somewhere is corrupted, so we'll find out if it's being that clever. Because something is corrupted in there. Okay, so now it has to start a new container at least. And it's installing its VS Code server. And connected to its VS Code server. It's starting me a bash prompt. That's bad. Yep. Okay. That didn't work.
What the fuck?
Oh, Chipa says, I'm a bitter old man. I know, a complete dinosaur, 100% not with it. But I have to say, when I watch you do this, what I think to myself is, that is not programming. This is the part where like tears shoot out from behind my hands. And I'm supposed to say, ah!
What the hell? Fucking Docker.
Okay.
This file either exists or does not exist, depending on your point of view.
I don't know what these are. I've never used Docker volumes intentionally. That's not going to work. That would be too consistent. Let's try this. Docker's much more consistent in its API than Git. Docker volume. Docker volume RM. Docker volume ls minus q. Oh, wait, I forgot to remove all the Docker containers again. So this will probably get confused. I'm going to hit X and I'm going to do that before I reopen a container.
Right. Good plan.
Okay, remove the containers, remove the volumes. I'm guessing that this will cause VS Code to create a new Docker volume on which it's going to store all these node modules so that it will wipe it out. Now, I could have just tried to re-download and populate node modules on a file system that is totally fucked. but I think it much better to wipe out the file system that's totally fucked, since the only thing useful thing I've ever done in that file system is download node modules.
Yeah.
Okay. So at this point, I'm like, please, please let me get the 6,000 files again. I missed the details this time, but I'm sure it's fine. Why are there node modules in here? Are there node modules in the repository? Because that just seems wrong, but now I need to check.
Yeah,
Wait.
right?
Oh, no, wait, I'm an idiot.
Hmm?
I'm an idiot. Also the thing with Docker volumes, but you know where that file system is? Fucking right fucking here. Right, hold on. I think it might just be RM in Windows. Yes. Okay. It's actually on my Windows file system. It's not in a Docker volume. So that was a goose chase, although I am still disturbed by the existence of Docker volumes because I didn't want them there, but this is fine. This is Windows trying to remove things. It takes some doing. Okay. Now they're gone.
All right.
Now I can download them again.
That may take a while.
So the Docker volume thing, that was a goose chase. It was actually, it's just the Windows Linux file system mapping. Actually, while they were there, I should have checked whether Windows could read the file. Damn it. That would have been interesting to see. It's fine, Jess. You're fine. Okay, so now we're going to wait for it to download 16,000 dependencies again. That's not an exaggeration.
No. IBM.
Right. Meanwhile, what did I want to change in the tutorial? It's fine. There's various things I wanted to do. I wanted to say at the point where we have the white dots and we do that, there's something about the white dots. Okay, you'll see the post, including the body. You'll see the full body of the incoming trace when we post at the endpoint. Let's work with the requests directly. The verb post and route/test will be set for you. You might have to look behind some shit. I want to say, and Britton, you've used your first REPL and written HTTP client. Using that, using the trace of that HTTP request that you just made, Dark will let you do whatever. Ellen can change this if she wants. Okay. We can use, I'm not sure what pronouns are in here. The trace of that HTTP request to build the endpoints. This is trace-driven development. I wanted to specify that because I eventually inferred that that's what we were doing here. Is sidebar one word or two?
One word. I want to say one word.
Yep. I agree. There. Two. Because it is, it's about even in this document currently. There, now it's all one word. Nope, still only at 5,000. I wish I had checked that in Windows. I mean, if this isn't programming, what is? This is what programming always feels like to me.
Right.
Seriously. I don't think that's something wrong with me,
No.
although it could be.
I mean, if you always program with the same version of the same stack of the same language of the same on the same operating system, then this is not what programming always feels like. But
Right.
when you program with different stacks, different versions of different stacks of different languages on different platforms, this is what programming is like. And thank God for
and what
Docker,
are we trying to do?
because
We're
it
trying to
actually
make pull
makes that
requests to
better.
someone else. Some days. Some days. Yeah, because all we did was we did this yarn, we did the yarn start, and then I wonder if I should have stopped. Like, I wonder, it wasn't just that file though, but it was other files in the system, but it was files that Node would have loaded. But Node just loads files. It doesn't like keep them around after it loads them. But then this is the live reloads thing. So I wonder if something in the Docusaurus had those files open and it just managed to corrupt them. It's not like it just held them open. They were corrupted somehow. In at least the Linux impression of Windows.
Yeah.
Because it managed to read them in the original container we had open, but not in the next one. Oh, this is some of the 14,000. Not like files, no. Dependencies. 16,000, sorry. Right?
Wait, that's not even possible. I guess it is.
You don't
but
think?
No. Wait. No, it can't be.
This is Node, dude. This is Node.
16,000 dependencies.
16,000 dependencies.
That doesn't seem plausible.
Yeah. GPA says he doesn't think something's wrong with me. Something's wrong with the environment. Yes, the environment of Yarn on top of Node, on top of Linux, on top of Docker, on top of
16,000?
Windows. Look at them all.
I would buy 1,000. At most. 16,000? Are you sure that's not files?
Yeah. See, this is the tree. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, I found the top of it.
It didn't take you 16,000.
This is only the 10,000. Do you have WC PowerShell? Anyway, now we'll see if the same thing happens again. The whole objective here was to test these ports and see if we can access the site served from within.
Yeah.
And then we can make a pull request or two. You can do it, Yarn. Yeah, because if this site is like the only thing you work on all day, you do this once and then and you do it natively. Like the projects that I work on week to week, I am okay with installing stuff on my laptop typically. If it's my work laptop and they're work projects, okay, I'll install this stuff. But anything I am not getting paid to work on. But even those, actually, I want to do it in Docker because then when I lose my work laptop, which I appear to do more than most humans.
All right, moment of truth.
Yeah. All right, so yarn start. And this worked before, slowly. Now I'm going to annoy it and take a look at that file from Windows. Node modules, docusaurus,
You're gonna ruin
lib,
it.
start server. Okay, there's something in it now. And docusaurus start just takes a long time.
Fair. It can take a long
This
time.
like I thought it wasn't working, and I went like
It's a
looking for-
dinosaur. It takes a long time. This is fine.
That's reasonable. It's also Node running 16,000 dependencies on top of Linux in Docker on Windows. So I want to know if we can hit 3,000 here once that starts up someday. It's not there yet.
Nope.
Oh, there it goes. 35729. Now that happens to be consistent, and it might be consistent. Another nice thing about a Docker container is that it has its own port space, so you get less randomness.
All right, and server.
Okay, so
3,000.
from within the container, can I hit that? Signs point to yes, but it's slow.
Okay.
Very, maybe not.
Yeah, just try it from a browser.
What does it say? Econ refused.
I don't know.
I don't know what that's about. That's not working. I mean, the real question is, can I hit it from here? But this seems unlikely. I had one open over here, didn't I? Yeah, it was here. Okay. Localhost 3000. Oh God, what is it doing? What is it doing? Okay. Econ refused. So the one thing you always have to do in when you move a web app into Docker is make it connect to 127.0.0.1 instead of localhost. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's trying to connect to 80 at this point. I'm so stubborn. There it is. Okay. Docusaurus. Should have looked this up a while ago. Legal document automation. Okay. Docs. That's fine. Localhost 3000. 3000 already been taken. Another port will be used. If you're behind a corporate proxy, you need to disable it. No, that's outside. Site preparation, creating your site. Right. Let's. No, Zoom, get out of my way. Now I'm getting really tired and frustrated.
Yeah.
Docusaurus and Docker.
I'm curious if the docusaurus -start -help gives you anything.
There's a docusaurus container that we could use, but that's not really what I want. That's a good idea. Node modules. No, we need to be in website. So I'm going to try to run it. Node modules .bin docusaurus start. Oh wait, I didn't actually want to do it. -- help. That appears to be also slow. Not surprising. That is not what I wanted. I just want to know, how do you change the network that it binds to? Is that what you call it?
Mm-hmm. The interface that it binds to.
Interface. That's what I wanted.
Yeah.
I don't want the easy ones. I want the effing details. Give me the effing details. CLI commands. Yarn start. Configuration. These scripts, I know how to do that.
If it supports a dash port, it might support
here's
a
some
dash
options.
host.
Here, port dash host. Thank you.
Perfect.
Yeah, good call.
Yep, 0000.
You want 0000? Oh, can't we do 127? Okay.
That might work.
It might work.
0000 will bind to all interfaces.
I don't want it to bind to all interfaces when people run it locally.
Yeah, you do.
No, if I run it on my laptop outside of Docker, I don't want it to bind to 000.
Well, no, not outside of Docker.
Right. So I don't want to, hold on. I'm getting tired. Yeah. If I put that in package.json, then other people who are running it outside of Docker will bind to zero. The fuck else am I going to put it?
You're gonna do it.
That's where it belongs.
Just try it at the fucking command line.
Oh, you mean just now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, let me stop this one. I'm getting really mad at this. Okay.
And my Zoom share is
You want me to try it here now?
lagging way behind.
What's lagging?
The Zoom share is lagging.
Your chair?
No, the Zoom share is lagging way behind, so it takes forever to see what you're actually typing.
Gpause says, while I'm waiting, we list the X on top of Y thing. But the problems here are generally that X doesn't cover Y. It just layers crap on top of the crap that is in Y. I watch, completely separate from what you're doing now, who navigate 5 and 10 of these not quite covering layers at a time. And they're not doing it in a first-time config situation. They're doing it every day, all day. I don't know what GPA is talking about. He watches who navigate. I think a word is missing there. Okay, it started on port 3000. Let's see what happens when we hit it from here. Not 8080. The same thing. Okay. I don't know why it's trying to connect to 80. This on 0000. That does not make sense to me.
What?
Also, entertainingly, it used to be connecting to 127 when it was defaulting to localhost. Oh, I think it was doing 001, but for some reason, Docusaurus feels the need to make a connection on port 80. What the fuck is it doing? What the actual fuck is this fucking web server trying to do? I am connecting to it, on port 80, on port 3000. What the fuck is it trying to do that makes it not work?
Oh my god. Fuck you, Docusaurus.
Just seriously, what is it trying to do? What is that? The 3000 version just doesn't goddamn fucking work. The live reload version does, as far as I can tell. I mean, it says this, whatever that does. Maybe if I go to docs. Nope. I don't know what it's actually supposed to serve. That might be in the README.
God only knows.
I don't know. I give up.
Yeah.
It's wait.
It's late.
Oh God. I will submit a PR. Not with a container, because I can't work. But I'm very sad.
What the hell? Yeah, I agree with you. Like, why is Docusaurus trying to make a request on port 80 to something? If it's serving on 3000. Very weird.
Yeah. Yeah. Jessitron getting started, clarifications. Get push -u origin, whatever I just typed. Oh, fuck you. When I say Control C, I fucking mean copy. Oh yeah, I know. I hate this terminal today, whatever. And then, when you start to get tired, then and you lose the concentration of how the fuck do you fucking copy text out of a fucking goddamn terminal. Okay. GPaw watches programmers who navigate many of these not quite covering layers. Yeah. All right. Unable to access. Yeah, that's not where you should be pushing it. I could swear. Oh no, I said to get Darkling Docs. So I've actually cloned. That was my fault. I cloned the wrong thing. It's fine. GitHub.com. Actually, I think which one works. Either HTTP or SSH works. I don't remember which at the moment. .com, Jessitron. Did it call them docs in my GitHub? Because that's weird, but it probably called the repo docs or something in the fork. What did you call my fork, honey? Yeah, just docs. Surprised I don't have a fork of Atomus docs, but then I probably just did commits there. All right. Git push -u mine branch. I like having both the real site, the real repo, and my fork of it as remotes anyway, because that's how I update my fork. All right, so now I should be able to go here. Find my branch and make a pull request. What's it doing? Base repository, Darkling master. From that, there isn't anything to compare.
Did you push?
Yes. Did I commit? That's another question.
Ha.
I may not have committed. Right, I did not commit. I pushed the branch, but not like,
Mm-hmm.
you know, the commit to the branch. Refresh. Great. Was I supposed to do anything in particular with the pull request? I haven't read through the whole README. There it goes. Yeah. Let's see. I'm just going to create the pull request. Okay. Sweet.
All right. I am
All right, I'm done.
out of energies.
We are out of steam.
We are out of
We're
steam.
out of steam. We never got Docker working. That's just so I wasn't able to test the docs. But Ellen can look at them.
Yeah.
It's there. I made a pull request. The world does not end.
Cool.
Thanks, Avdi. Thanks for
Thank you
including
for
me.
joining me for this.
And thank you, Ellen, for helping. And Jeepa and Marco for stopping in and commenting. And Amitai.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good night.